Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a topic that's becoming more important every day, but still flies under the radar for most people. Marcus here. Today we're diving deep into the world of SIM card cloning, what it is, how it works, and why it's a growing threat in our increasingly digital lives. Hackers are constantly developing new tools and techniques, and SIM card cloning is one of the most alarming trends we're seeing right now. SIM cards aren't just tiny chips that connect your phone to a network anymore. They're now gateways to our most sensitive personal data. Think contacts, private messages, and even access to your financial accounts. If someone gets control of your SIM, they can potentially unlock a huge part of your digital life. So, what exactly is SIM cloning? It's when a cybercriminal duplicates your SIM card by copying its unique identifiers and all the data stored on it onto another card. This process can be shockingly quick and, with the right equipment, almost undetectable. Once a hacker has a cloned SIM, they can impersonate you, receiving your calls, texts, and even those crucial two-factor authentication codes that are supposed to keep your accounts safe. Imagine someone else being able to access your bank, email, or social media just by having a copy of your SIM. The scary part? The tools needed to pull this off are more advanced and accessible than ever before. You don't need to be a tech genius. Many of these devices are sold online and come with step-by-step instructions. So, in this video, let's break down the 15 new SIM cloning tools you need to know about, how they work, and what you can do to protect yourself from falling victim to this growing cyber threat. MagicSIM is a go-to for many hackers because it's accessible and effective. It lets you extract and duplicate SIM identifiers onto a blank card with just a PC, software, and a card reader. Hackers can quickly clone a SIM and use it in another device without the original user knowing. Its plug-and-play nature and abundance of tutorials make it popular and dangerous. MagicSIM is just the tip of the iceberg. SIM Cloner X has earned a reputation among hackers for its robust features, reliability, and remarkable ease of use. Unlike many other tools that require technical expertise, SIM Cloner X is designed to be accessible even to those with minimal experience, making it a go-to choice for both seasoned hackers and curious newcomers alike. Its intuitive setup process and clear instructions lower the barrier to entry, allowing users to get started quickly. The software automates the entire data extraction process, eliminating the need for manual intervention and reducing the risk of errors. This automation not only makes SIM cloning faster, but also significantly more efficient, enabling users to duplicate SIM cards in just a few minutes. The tool's advanced algorithms ensure that even encrypted data can be accessed with minimal effort. One of its standout features is its compatibility with a wide range of SIM cards. Whether it's a local carrier or an international provider, SIM Cloner X is engineered to work seamlessly across different networks and regions. This versatility makes it especially valuable for hackers who target victims in multiple countries or need to bypass regional restrictions. Built-in scripts are included to help users bypass basic security measures that would otherwise prevent cloning. These scripts are regularly updated to keep up with new security protocols, ensuring that the tool remains effective even as SIM card technology evolves. For hackers, this means less time spent troubleshooting and more time achieving their objectives. The clean modern interface is another major advantage. It guides users step by step through the entire process, from connecting the SIM card reader to finalizing the clone. Even complex operations are broken down into simple actions, making the tool approachable for users of all skill levels. Its widespread popularity in underground forums and dark web marketplaces is a testament to how quickly these tools evolve and spread. Hackers frequently share tips, updates, and custom scripts, fueling a cycle of constant improvement and innovation. As SIM card security measures become more advanced, so too do the tools designed to break them. The ongoing battle between security experts and hackers ensures that tools like SIM Cloner X will continue to adapt, staying one step ahead in the ever-changing world of digital security. MOBILedit. Forensic is a powerful digital forensics tool, originally designed to help law enforcement and investigators uncover crucial evidence from mobile devices. Its advanced capabilities allow professionals to analyze, extract, and preserve data from a wide range of phones and SIM cards, making it an essential asset in modern digital investigations. However, the same features that make it invaluable for good can also be exploited for malicious purposes. Increasingly, hackers and cybercriminals are turning to MOBILedit forensic for SIM cloning, taking advantage of its sophisticated extraction methods to duplicate SIM cards and gain unauthorized access to sensitive information. The software can extract a complete image of a SIM card, capturing not just the obvious data, but also hidden files and system information that are often overlooked by less advanced tools. This includes contacts, SMS messages, authentication data, and even encrypted information, providing a comprehensive snapshot of everything stored on the SIM. Its forensic-level extraction digs deep into SIM memory, uncovering deleted records, hidden partitions, and metadata that could be critical in both investigations and criminal activities. By pulling out data that other tools might miss, MOBILedit Forensic gives users an unprecedented level of access to the inner workings of a SIM card. The professional interface, detailed extraction logs, and customizable reporting features make it especially attractive for those seeking to create full, undetectable SIM clones. With specialized add-ons, the software can even bypass certain PIN protections and security measures, opening up access to data that would otherwise remain locked. In the wrong hands, the power of MOBILedit Forensic becomes a real threat, highlighting the double-edged nature of advanced forensic technology in today's digital world. SIM Explorer reads, analyzes, and copies SIM contents in a user-friendly way. It accesses different areas of a SIM, including protected sectors, and can copy or modify sensitive info. Hackers use it to extract IMSI and authentication keys, critical for cloning. Batch operations allow multiple SIMs to be cloned in one session. If your SIM isn't updated with the latest security patches, SIM Explorer is a real threat. Regular SIM and phone updates are crucial. SIM Master Tool is designed for accessibility, making SIM cloning easy for beginners. Its step-by-step wizard and one-click cloning automate the process. Compatible with most card readers and SIM formats, it handles technical details in the background. Even people with minimal skills can carry out damaging attacks. The barrier to entry for SIM cloning keeps dropping. SIM Master Tool shows how simple these attacks have become. Card Reader Pro is all about versatility and works with almost every SIM card standard. Hackers use it to target a wide range of devices and networks, extracting data from several SIMs at once. It adapts to different encryption standards and allows detailed data analysis. The tool works with both old and new SIM technologies, making it a powerful all-in-one solution. If you travel or use global SIMs, this is the kind of tool hackers want. SIM-EMU focuses on emulation, creating software-based SIM copies that run on different devices. Hackers can emulate multiple SIM profiles on a single device, bypassing network restrictions and evading tracking. It supports various SIM formats and can be installed on specialized hardware or rooted Android devices. SIM-EMU started as a legitimate tool, but is now part of the hacking toolkit. Emulation broadens the possibilities far beyond physical SIM cards. MultiSIM Smart Card Tool is a command-line utility that gives direct access to SIM data via MultiSIM compatible readers. It allows granular control over data extraction and writing, perfect for advanced attacks. Open source and customizable, it's popular among technical users for scripting attacks or integrating into larger frameworks. Quiet, powerful, and flexible. This is what advanced threats use. SIM Card Editor lets users not just copy, but also edit SIM contents. Hackers can modify key identifiers, making clones harder to detect. The tool allows editing of contact lists, authentication codes, and even SIM serial numbers. By changing identifiers, hackers create clean clones that avoid network alarms. Sometimes the simplest tools are the most dangerous. SIMScan scans SIM cards for vulnerabilities and quickly clones them. It detects weaknesses like default pins or unprotected memory, then exploits them for data extraction. The process is fast. Cloning can take just minutes. SIMScan supports a wide range of SIMs and is regularly updated for new security patches. Automated backups allow multiple clones without starting from scratch. Fast attacks are often the hardest to detect. SIM Card Spy is built for stealth, cloning SIMs without leaving obvious traces. It runs quietly, extracting and copying data with minimal input, even from a concealed USB device. Activity logs are encrypted, making detection difficult. Hackers can choose exactly which SIM data to clone, avoiding security alerts. the most effective attacks are often invisible. You might not realize your SIM's been cloned until it's too late. GSM SIM utility targets global SIM cards, supporting nearly any GSM network. It can bypass PIN codes, extract authentication keys, and customize for specific networks. Regular updates add new exploits as vulnerabilities are found. Works with both old and new SIMs, making complex operations simple. If you use global SIMs, this tool puts your data at risk anywhere. SIM card data recovery started as a way to recover lost SIM data, but hackers use it for cloning. It extracts contacts, SMS, and authentication data, even from damaged or wiped SIMs. Hackers access info that might otherwise be inaccessible, like deleted messages or lost keys. The recovered data can be copied to a new SIM, creating a functional clone. Even after you think your data is gone, it could still fall into the wrong hands. SIM card backup tool is meant for safe backups, but hackers use it to create stealthy clones. Full SIM duplicates can be made with a click, supporting encrypted backups and batch processing. Hackers can build collections of cloned SIMs, ready to use anytime. Many people don't realize how much personal info is stored on their SIMs. Without monitoring your SIM's activity, you might not notice if a clone has been made. The MultiSIM adapter lets users run multiple SIM profiles on one device, switching identities instantly. Hackers use it to manage several cloned SIMs on a single phone, avoiding detection by toggling profiles. Compatible with most smartphones, it enables managing multiple stolen identities at once. It's a tool for maximizing the impact of SIM cloning attacks.